the toy pack!
Welcome to Toy Park. Today we're going to review two toys. Here we have two monster eggs, surprise eggs. We have Squinkie toys, Series 2. We have 12 Squinkies. Another pack of Squinkies. Isn't it cute and pretty? Looks adorable to me. Okay, we're going to unpack this egg and see what's inside. Oh, I can't wait to see what's inside. Oops! We got here a bag of candy. A flyer. Wow, an eraser. Let's unpack the second monster surprise egg we have here. Surprise! Here we got a bag of candy. Oops, there is it, a flyer. And another eraser. Oh! Next, we're going to unpack this Squinkie and see what's inside. Oops, dropped something. So here are the Squinkies. All the Squinkies we get from the set. As you can see, they are very colorful, round in shape, and very funny. So let's unpack one by one and see what we have. crack it open. Oh, it's a monster. Green in color and red. Isn't it cute? Next, we get another one. Crack it open. See what we get. Oh, another monster. Red one. Wow, it looks scary to me. Next, we have a blue one. Okay, let's open it up. What can I see here? I can see a man. It's nice. We open up another one. What we get here is look like a red ranger. Can you see it? Okay, another one. Oh, it's a pink one. It's a pink ranger. Another one. It's a blue ranger. Isn't it cute? So we have opened up all the Squinkies already. So one by one we need to count them. So how many we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 Squinkies in this first set. Okay, let's open up the second set. Here is it, the second set of Squinkies. I can't wait to open it up right now. Okay, let's open it up right now. Okay, here we go. Here we have 4 Squinkies. Okay, as you can see, there is a cute girl in a white dress. A hippo. Oh, a very cute pink bear. And a penguin. See how cute is this penguin? Okay, and the rest we need to open them up to see what's inside. Let's open them up right now. Wow, guess what is this? It's a bird. You're right, it's a canary. Open up another one. What's this we got in here? Oh yes, it's a whale. It's a fish. Open up another one. What we get here? Oh, what a pretty girl. It's a mermaid. Let's open up another one. Surprise! What we got here? Oh, so cute. It's a baby. Next. Okay, I hardly can't wait what we have in here. It's a little boy. See? A very cute boy. One more. Crack it open. See what we got here. Make a guess. Brown? Yeah, you're right. It's a donkey. Next one. Let's see what we got in here. Oh, it's an octopus. Okay, finally the last one. Let's see what we get. Yeah, it's a puppy. A brown puppy. You're right. So, let's count how many. Oh, I almost forgot. We do have two more here. Let's open it up. Okay, we have, yeah, a green teddy bear. Squeeze it. Wow, so cute. And last one, here, we open it up. Oh, it's a duckling. See? Can you see it? Okay, finally we open up every one of the Squinkies. Let's count how many we have for the second set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. All in all, we have 13 in this second set. Hey guys, I found another 3 Squinkies here. Okay, we're going to open these last 3 Squinkies and find out what we have in here. This is the first one. Surprise! Oh, it's a girl. Isn't she cute and adorable? Two more. Which one do you want to open up first? I prefer this one. Okay, let's open this one first. We have a squirrel, pink in color. Very cute. Very nice. Wow, it's so playful. Final, here we are, we have another one. Oh, it's a man with a bird. Can you see it? Okay, now let's count how many Squinkies we have in this second set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. You're right, we have 16 in these sets. So, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.